Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rolling end credits or credit title in CapCut. Before we start, if you want to make some credit title, you can do it in a CapCut editor application. Let's open the app. This is the CapCut start page. Tap new project, tap library, and try to search the black screen here. We got, and tap the add button. In here, this is the editor page. You can tap the text, add text, and you can type the text like credit title. This is, for example, and done. So adjust the size like this, and you can set the duration about 7 or 9 seconds. So I want to make in 8 seconds here. At the start, you can add the keyframe and try to adjust the position at the bottom, and at the end you can add the keyframe again and adjust the position at the top like this. And let's try to play this video. And as you can see, this is the credit title that you can make in CapCut application. It's very easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.